This dance is called Adalaida, or Adalaida, however you'd like to pronounce it. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, improver level line dance with 4 tags. Starting on the right foot, vine to the right with a touch. So side, behind, side, touch. Step forward on the left, touch the right, back on the right, touch the left. Vine to the left with a quarter turn, side, behind, turn, brush, and a right-footed rocking chair. Do that one section again. Vine to the right. 7, 8. Side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, back, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. From here, step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn left, cross the right over the left, hinge turn over our right shoulder, so it's a quarter turn step in the left back, quarter turn step in the right to the side, cross the left over the right, into a run the box forward, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, and this time we kick. Okay, so from just on the rocking chair, that last section, step, pivot, cross, 7, 8, step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick. Put those 2 sections together. Vine to the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, back, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick. From here we're going to continue to go backwards. So step the right back, kick the left, step the left back, kick the right. Into a coaster step, right-footed coaster step. Run forward over 3 counts, starting with the left foot, making a quarter of a turn to your left. So it's left, right, left. A further 2 steps going forward, walking forward, making a further quarter of a turn. Walk, walk. So you end up facing the back wall. So we'll do that a little bit again. So we've just done our kick from our run the box, going back on the right. 7, 8, back, kick, coaster, step, run, 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 walk, walk. Let's add that to the top. Vine to the right, 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, step, touch, back, touch, side, behind, turn, brush, rocking chair. Step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross, run the side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick, coaster, step, run, 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 walk, walk. At this point, we'll do a mambo step. It's forward rock in place, coaster step leading on the left, back together, forward. So now, little combination of steps. Point to the right to the side, touch the right by the left, touch the right heel forward, hook the right over the left, step forward on the right, touch the left, back on the left, touch the right. So the first half of that is quite straightforward. So, mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, coaster step, point, touch, heel, hook, step, touch, back, touch. Let's add that to the top. That's the end of the dance. Off on the right, vine to the right. 7, 8, side behind, side touch, step, touch, back, touch, side behind, turn, brush, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross, rumba, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick, coaster, step, run, 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 walk, walk, mambo, step, coaster, step, point, touch, heel, hook, step, touch, back, touch. And you start the dance again. So let's have a go at walk 2, and then I'll tell you about the tags. So off on the right, line to the right. 7, 8, side behind, side touch, step, touch, back, touch, side behind, turn, brush, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, turn, turn, cross, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick, coaster, step, run, 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 walk, walk, mambo, step, coaster, step, point, touch, heel, hook, step, touch, back, touch. Now there are a lot of and counts in this dance. So for those who like the counts, I'll just run through the first wall with the counts. Line to the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. I did tell you there are a lot of lands in this dance. Okay, so tags. There are 4 of them. They're all nice and easy. Side touch, side touch. They come at the ends of walls 1, 3, 4 and 6. You can kind of hear it in the music. So the first 2 will actually be when you're facing the back wall. So you've done the front wall, you end facing the back wall, side touch before you start the next one. After you've done the second tag on wall 3, you have to remember that at the end of that wall, you also need to do a tag, which is wall 4. So it's 2 at the back, 2 at the front. I'll shout them out. Let's give it a go to some music. Hope you managed that one, well done.